with a broken mouth, and all my hope and faith and trust fell out. Now uncertain future starting a faltering heart, and I have grown sullen and speechless next to crying stones. But the birds of the air, they don't tear at their wings so that things will be better. The flowers in the fields don't steal their clothes, they are robed in heather. Taking a vibe, the road less traveled on, that has made all the difference as the path did fade. Though I am lost and lonesome with my own thoughts, I've got a blanket of stars, the earth a pillow to lay my weary head on. For the birds of the air, they don't tear at their wings so that things will be better. The flowers in the fields don't steal their clothes, they are rolled in heather. And what kind of father would offer a rock when his child asked for fish of the sea? I know you love me better, so give of your blood and your body and spirit, please. The birds of the air, they don't tear at their wings so that things will be better. The flowers in the fields don't steal their clothes, they are robed in heather. And I will sing a new song, I will sing it aloud like the one that you put in my soul. I will sing a new song like the prophets who told you, the kings and queens of old. The birds of the air, they don't tear at their wings so that things will be better. But things will be better. Things will be better. Things will be better.